Okay, what we're looking at now is we are looking at the proof of concept for the second stage of my 610 final project, that being Thaumatrope. And if you're unfamiliar with what that is, a Thaumatrope consists of a disc, roughly a disc, with an illustration on one side, and on the other is another illustration. And when the string is spun, the image is superimposed. One image is superimposed on the other, creating the illusion of, in this case, this bird. Yes, my illustration. Yes, not a good one. Being placed inside the cage. Once again, my illustration. Once again, not a very good one. But we got to start somewhere. So initially, we'd had an idea of using a motor to turn a couple of arms that would create friction and spin the string. We worked on that last week. Did not achieve a successful result there. Didn't document that probably just as well. But in conversations that Mariano Ulibari, Greg Williamson, and I had, we came to a new design concept, which consists of the motor with a pulley, a rubber band, rubber belt, which rubs the string and simulates what your fingers would be doing if you were playing with this in a conventional fashion. So what a Thaumatrope relies on is the persistence of vision, and that's if you've seen the Prestige, it's he actually uses a Thaumatrope to explain the concept. So check that film out if you want. Also, there's a Johnny Depp's character carries one in Sleepy Hollow. So anyway, they're precursors to animation and motion picture concepts, to be sure. So I thought that'd be interesting and a fun way to incorporate that as an Arduino controlled Thaumatrope. Getting to the Arduino, the code that is programmed into it turns the motor back and forth, spinning the rubber band, twirling the string. And let's take a look at what that looks like. So as you can see, this has been a bit more successful in that when you watch it, it looks like the bird is in the cage. That is the desired result. The next phase is to incorporate a potentiometer, which will simulate the input of turning a string. So credit to Mariano and Greg for their help. Greg, for your awesome code. And the next step is to figure out how to create this on a larger scale. So thanks for checking it out, and more to come.